Hello. Let's talk about the verse for today, which is Psalm 56, 8 to 11 in New King James Version. You number my wanderings, put my tears into your bottle. Are they not in your book? When I cry out to you, then my enemies will turn back. This I know, because God is for me. In God I will praise His word. In the Lord I will praise His word. In God I have put my trust. I will not be afraid. What can man do for me? So now let's have a little context and let's discuss more about the verse so we can understand it more. Here, David is on the brink of becoming the king of Israel. He finds himself banished from his own land. King Saul, consumed by jealousy over David's growing renown, makes 4 attempts on his life. Fearing for his safety, David seeks refuge among the Philistines, Israel's foes. Throughout the day, his adversaries relentlessly pursue him, much like relentless hounds at his heels. So, enduring all the slanders and malicious rumors from those who despise him, David, exhausted and fearful, places his trust in God. Familiar with God's character and promises, David clings to the assurance of a future throne in the land from which he's been driven. So, David, very confident in God's faithfulness, David questions what mere mortals can do for him if God remains steadfast in his promises. Despite the conspiracies of Saul and the murderous intentions of the Philistines, David petitions God for justice and commensurate with the pain inflicted upon him. He implores God to meticulously account for every tear shed in the face of cruelty, and during his wanderings, knowing that God will exact justice on his behalf. Then David reaffirms his praise for God and his promises, acknowledging the irrevocability of God's words with unwavering faith in his imminent deliverance in all of these trials. And then David speaks as though his rescue has already transpired, eagerly anticipating the opportunity to offer sacrifices of thanksgiving to God for sparing him from death and allowing him to walk undisturbed in the company of his enemies. May we find solace in the assurance that even in our deepest distress, God sees our tears and hears our cries. Let us be like David, anchor our trust in the unshakable promises of God, knowing that no earthly challenge can diminish His power or thwart His plans for our ultimate deliverance. Thank you.